Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your Barclays online banking account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will guide you through on this video, and then you can log into your account as well. First of all, just go on to your Google browser and then go on to its search bar and just type for Barclays online banking and hit on enter. After doing so, many results will now pop up on your screen. Click on the first link that shows up, and now this will take you to the official login site of Barclays, where you can select the type of login you want from either your membership number, your card number, or your account number. Here you can see that you need to input your personal details under membership number, like your last name and membership number, that is your 12-digit membership number, and after doing so, just hit on continue, and then you'll be logged in into your Barclays online banking account. Now just input your personal detail and tap on continue. After that, you'll be logged in into your Barclays online banking account. This was for this video, and that's how you can log in into your online banking account. I hope you guys find that video helpful. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for reviews. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.